Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the file's declared permissions so you know what's actually restricted and why. Open the document's properties and read the security settings. This tells you whether printing is prohibited, limited, or allowed for some users. Once done, identify the owner or creator so you can request permission. Make sure to record the file name and any stated license terms. Doing that avoids guessing and creates a clear, lawful path forward for obtaining printing rights. Next, pursue authorized access. Ask the document owner or publisher for explicit permission to print and explain your legitimate need. If the PDF belongs to an organization, escalate through administrative or licensing offices. They can grant access or provide an unlocked copy. Once you receive approval, save any written or emailed consent to show you acted lawfully. Make sure to request a version with printing enabled, or a print-ready export from the rights holder. If permission is granted, use the file or export the authorized version provided by the owner. That preserves rights and avoids risk. If you're using an institutional viewer, confirm your account has licensed printing privileges and update software if needed. If permission is denied, don't attempt circumvention. Seek acceptable alternatives such as a summary, screenshot authorized by the owner, or consult legal counsel for guidance. Troubleshooting. Verify account credentials and request technical assistance from the document's administrator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.